Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do things get better. So on today's episode of Sandy 7 Presents, we bring you Ipsy. Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of December of 2021. It just arrived and we're in the middle of the month. Like, come on, man. Anyways, let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. If you're not familiar with or you don't remember much about Ipsy, Ipsy is this bag here is $13 a month plus tax, depending on your state and city, county. It can go up, range anywhere from $13 to over $15. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, this is for December of 2021. And let's open it up. Ipsy is, this bag has deluxe samples in it. It always comes with a bag, and you always get to choose one item. Like just now I went on Ipsy to check how much this bag was, and it already asked me to pick for next month's beauty bag, and it's December 20th. So around this time you get to choose one product, and that's the product that I know that I'll be getting for January. But I could have sworn I signed up for January's Glam Bag Plus. So there's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then there's X, and X is quarterly. This is monthly. So let's go ahead and open it up. You get a cute little bag. This one is pink, and it says Ipsy. They all say Ipsy on the little tag. Then the first item let's look at is this. It's from the Creme Shop, or Creme. I don't know. How do you pronounce it when it has the asterisk or the little thingy on top of this E here? The Creme Shop. 'Tis the season to be lovely. This is collagen and squalane essence sheet mask, which is this light blue one. And then this dark one, it's called Baby It's Gold Outside, and it's a 24 karat gold and collagen firming and moisturizing. And that's what that one is. So the light blue one is youth promoting, collagen boosting, and hydrating. And then we got this one. So we got 2 face masks. Did we have a little card? Yes, we got a little card. What is the theme? The theme is Time to Shine, December of 2021. Sparkling, shimmering, totally unforgettable. This month, wrap yourself in silver and gold beauty looks. Get your skin glowing and share your light inside and out with the ones you love. So, and it's beauty horoscopes. They didn't give me what was in the bag. Anyways, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe and bell so you're notified of all my videos when they go up. I do have a giveaway. I'm going to let the giveaway go until December 31st. I was going to end it on the 20th, but December 31st. I will link it up here if you want to go ahead and watch that video. And there's a small little giveaway, a little token of appreciation. So I'm a Pisces, and it says, Pisces, one word, glitter. Playing it safe is not the move. Take more risks and sparkle. I don't know, you guys, because I was driving down the road the other day and I hit something, and it was totally unavoidable. It was in the middle of the road and I hit it, damaged my car, and I have $3,500 worth of repairs on my car, and now I'm like, fuck. Anyways, it could have been worse, right? But we arrived safely at home and everything is good. I just want to have a car for like 2 weeks. Anyways, enough about that. 'Tis the season to treat yourself. Complete your self-gift list with these chances to score major deals throughout December. I don't know if you have an Ipsy bag and you didn't get your Ipsy bag this month because you paused it, or you're getting too many, you skipped a month. There's a timeline there, and once again I will let you go ahead and see the horoscopes right there. Oh, it's just that it's terrible. My ring light, there it is there, and then there's the other half. Hopefully you can see that. If not, I apologize. Anyways, let's keep going with this bag. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 with the bag. And no, one. Why can't I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the sheet masks, and 6 with the bag. So let's go ahead and look at the next thing. This is Seraphine Botanicals Cranberry and Dewy Lip Remedy. So that's what that looks like there. Try to open it. You know me, I always have a hard time opening things. And that's what it looks like. I'm not gonna open it. A lot of this stuff I'm gonna give away. And now that I have this $3,500 bill, I'm definitely gonna have to give a lot of this stuff away to Christmas to people I know. Okay, and then the next item is wrapped in bubble tape. And this is M2U. No. How do you pronounce the U with the 2 dots on top? I don't know. NYC eyeshadow duo. That's actually kind of pretty. And I'm into the sparkle thing. I'm really into the sparkle thing lately. So we got that, the eyeshadow. And the next item is also in bubble wrap. And this is VC Collector. And this is in vintage. Oh my god, you guys. This is a highlight. I can't read. And the first ingredient is mica. So if you're not into mica or can't use it, it's not for you. And opening it up so you can see highlights. And that's what that looks like. Actually really pretty. Nice, I like it. So you got the highlighter. What else came in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and this last item. Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer. And this is 9.6 grams, which is 0.34 ounces. And that is the last item we got. And that's it, you guys. So we got the moisturizer, we got the highlighter, we got the eyeshadow, the 2 face masks. Is that everything? Oh, and the cranberry and dew lip remedy. And that's it, you guys. This was like a very fast video. And the little bag. And I actually like this bag. It's nice. It feels rough though. It does feel rough. It's textured. That's the inside. And then everything came inside of that. And that's not bad. It's a nice little bag for $13. Now, is it worth $13? Only if you're going to use everything in the bag. If you use nothing, if you don't use any of these items, then it's definitely not worth the $13. That means you just wasted. But $13 is like buying 3 cups of Starbucks. Like 3 Ventis. This cup here. The bag costs less than the cup, but I can use my cup. But that's it, you guys. That was everything in that bag. I've got some more videos to show you. And then that's it. So let me know in the comment section down below. Did you get Ipsy? Were we twins? Were we not? What did you get in your Ipsy bag? Comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like or dislike. It's all the same to me. But if you dislike my video, let me know in the comment section why. You know, there's something that I could change or something I could do. Other than that, that's it, you guys. So Ipsy Glam Bag. I'll link everything down below if you want to get the box or the bag. There's 3 different tiers. You have different price ranges, and you can choose the one that you like down there. So thank you all for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, hasta laters.